In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect Excel sheet with password. Protecting a worksheet is a simple way to help prevent accidental edits, and it also gives you more control over what other people can change in your file. As we go through these steps, keep your eye on the ribbon at the top of Excel, because each action happens in a specific place. First, click the Review tab on the top ribbon menu. The Review tab is where Excel groups tools for checking, commenting, and protecting your workbook and worksheets. When you click it, you should see a Protect group appear on the ribbon. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct tab before moving on, since the Protect button will not be in the same location on other tabs. Next, click the Protect Sheet button in the Protect group. This will open the Protect Sheet dialog box. This dialog is the control center for sheet protection options. It is important to notice that this feature is about locking the sheet itself, not just individual cells. That means the sheet will remain protected according to the permissions you set in the dialog. Now type a secure password into the password text entry field. This password is what unlocks the sheet later when you need to make changes again. As you type, make sure you enter it exactly the way you intend, because you will have to use it again to confirm and to remove protection later. For your security, choose a strong password that is not easy to guess. And remember that Excel will not show it back in plain text. After you set the password, verify the checkboxes for actions you want to allow users to perform. These checkboxes determine what people can still do even though the sheet is protected. For example, you might allow certain actions like formatting or selecting specific items depending on what your sheet requires. Take a moment here to think through the goal of your protection. You want to prevent editing of important content while still allowing the specific actions that are necessary for your workflow. When you are satisfied with the options, at this point Excel will ask you to confirm the password to make sure there are no typing mistakes. This confirmation step is a normal part of the protection process, and it helps prevent situations where the password was entered incorrectly the first time. Next, retype your password into the confirmation text box prompt window. This prompt will appear after you click OK. Retyping ensures the password matches the original entry. Type carefully and make sure the characters are correct, including uppercase and lowercase letters, since Excel treats them distinctly. Then click the OK button again to lock editing on your sheet cells. Once you confirm, Excel activates protection for the worksheet. You may notice that some editing features feel restricted, and that is exactly what you want. Your sheet is now set up so that changes are blocked unless the correct unprotect steps are followed later. Finally, click cell A2 and try typing to verify it is protected. This quick test is the best way to confirm that the protection is working as intended. If the sheet is protected properly, Excel should prevent you from editing the cell and may show a message indicating that the sheet is protected. If you are able to type normally, that means protection is not being applied the way you expected, and you should review the options you selected earlier. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to protect an Excel sheet with a password.